this problem, it asks us to find the total price to the nearest cent if a $69 jacket is on sale for 15% off, and we need to pay a sales tax of 7%. So following the method 1 procedure, we would take the cost of the coat, $69, and we would multiply that by 15% as a decimal. So that's 0.15. So when we multiply that out, we should get a value of 10.35. That means $10.35 would be our discount. So if that is our discount, we need to then subtract that from the original cost of the coat. So $69 minus the $10.35 for the discount to get a total of $58.65. This is now the cost of the coat. But of course, we have to pay our sales tax, and in this case, the sales tax is 7%. So on the next line, I'm going to take my $58.65 coat, and I am now going to multiply by my 7% sales tax. So that would be 0.07. So when I multiply that out, I should get a value of $4.11 approximately. So I need to now add that onto the cost of the coat. So the coat cost $58.65, and I will need to add to that the $4.11 to pay for my sales tax. That will give me a grand total of $62.76. And so that would be the cost of my coat with the discount and the sales tax. Method 2 is a more direct method, and what we would do is we would take our 100% that we would pay for the coat, and that would cost $69. We would subtract the 15% discount and find that we would have to then pay 85% of the coat. In addition to that, we would need to remember that once we find our 85% of the coat, we would need to pay not only that, but the additional 7% for tax. So we could calculate that as a 100% plus our sales tax of 7%. So that's where we get 107%. So when we go to do our calculations, we would take the cost of the coat, $69, times 85% as a decimal, so 0.85. And then we would multiply that by 1.07 to include our sales tax. And when we multiply that out, we will still end up with a value of $62.76. Either method would result in the same total price.